Welcome to SafeFXPro, your future to wealth. SafeFXPro started in 2023 and have since then generated over 80% in profits. In 2023, SafeFXPro did 42.26%. In 2024, 38.14%. And so far in 2025, SafeFXPro is up approximately 15%. And that even though the financial market has been very uncertain since Trump became the president. So what exactly is SafeFXPro? SafeFXPro is a completely automated trading system that takes advantage of price changes in the Forex market. Meaning SafeFXPro can make profits on both up and downs in the Forex market. Now you're for sure wondering how SafeFXPro works. First of all, to trade on the Forex market, you need a broker, and SafeFXPro has partnered up with a broker named StarTrader. StarTrader is a licensed and regulated broker. StarTrader is also a member of the Financial Commission and also provide insurance up to $1 million. To start use SafeFXPro, each investor create their own personal account within StarTrader. Then they fund their account in StarTrader and then finally connect their account to SafeFXPro. This means that SafeFXPro only can use each investor's funds to trade and make profits. But all investors have full control over their funds. An investor can anytime invest more, withdraw, or even close their account. It's all up to them. So don't miss this opportunity to make your wealth for the future.